40-foot containers. 40-foot cargo containers are great for storing documents, inventory, equipment, feed, etc. They can easily be converted into a workshop to provide workspace, storage, and protection from the elements. Go one step further and set up 2 containers with a roof between them for additional covered space between them. If you are building a container home, 40s are going to give you the best value. We recommend the 40-foot high cube container, which are 9'6" high. 40-foot high cube containers tend to be more popular than the 40-foot standard containers, which are 8'6" high. With an interior height that is just shy of 8 foot 10 inches, 40-foot high cube containers give you enough room to insulate the container and still have a normal height ceiling. 40-foot standard containers are just shy of 7 foot 10 inches, which can feel a bit cramped after insulation.